Hello, this is Colin with bMobile. Today I'd like to show you some basic navigation tips when using the bMobile route software when looking through different lists. First off, I am in the customer list here as an example, and you can see I've got a pretty large list of customers. The first thing that I'm able to do that I'd like to show you is called grouping. So any of these column headers, if you would like to group by that particular column, you can just left click and drag that right up here to where it says drag a column here to group by, and it will reorganize your list into expandable um, groups based on the data that was in the column you dragged. So here's I grouped by channel. Here's my commercial channel. These are all the customers that had the commercial channel, online retail, and so it's a quicker way to, if you want to see a smaller subset of customers, to use that. If you've got routes or zones or things like that set up, you can group by that. If I want to group by sales rep, again, I can easily group all my customers by the sales rep associated with that particular customer. And when I'm done with the grouping, I can simply X out of that grouping and get back to here. I can subgroup it as well. So if I want to group by sales rep and then by channel as well, you can see the relationship sort of grow here. So when I expand JG, I've got subgrouped of channels underneath that, and I can expand to see all of the customers that have JG as the sales rep, and also that are in the retail slash store channel as well. So you can go more than one level deep with your grouping as well. Um, as far as sorting and lists go, you'll notice under every column a field that you can use to search. So you can type into any one of these. So here, if I start typing baker, you'll see that my list is already trimmed down and filtering by what I've started to type. And I'm using the contains filter, but if you click this little icon here, you can change it to does not contain, starts with, ends with, equal, is not equal to. So you can customize your filter, and you can do more than one column at the same time. So if I start typing B over here and then DA, so I get everything that has a B in it on the customer number and then a DA on the customer name. So you can filter that way as well. Finally, if you've been using the software for a while and you've been going into many different windows, you'll notice across the bottom we keep a tabbed history of the windows that are currently open. So instead of having to, if you know you've gone in the customer list before, instead of having to go and find it through the top menus again, you're able to find it on the bottom if it's already open, and you can just tab back to it as well. It's kind of a history of things that you've had open. Um, I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about the basic navigation features of bMobile, and if you have any questions, be sure to call. Thank you. Bye.